Hey everybody, it's Cher. Grin and Grandma, and weddings usually are not part of my reselling life, but today it is. This is the day my grandson gets married, and I just wanted to kind of give you an idea where we are. Well, we're in Indiana, but let me show you around here. This is actually in back of my son's property. One of the neighbors, a very good friend of theirs, told him that they could use her barn and the property for the wedding. So I just thought that was so sweet. This is just one little garden, but I think it is so, well, I think everything's cute or pretty or beautiful. But this is where the guests will sit as they get ready to toast the bride and groom. This lovely creature is my daughter. This is Cindy. Say hi, honey.
Cindy. This, Mom, are you YouTubing?
Yes. This is the barn where they're going to be getting married. Well, this is the barn. They're not getting married in the barn. They're actually going to be married here.
This is Cindy again.
She's such a ham. For those of you who live in the city, maybe this is a treat for you, huh? Those raised beds over there are my son's. They have both vegetables and flowers in there. And did I show you that old car? If not, I'll show it to you later anyway. I mean, it's this gorgeous property or what? Now, my son does maintain this tour with her, or for her, sorry. She's an older lady, and her husband passed, and my son and her husband were very good friends. So he told her he was not going to let this property go to waste. And he hasn't. So he actually does mow it and plant and that type of thing for her. And no, landscaping is not his business. He actually owns a car lot. And on the car lot, he has not only vehicles, but he has trailers, like dump trailers, regular hauling trailers, and that kind of thing. And he has those sheds that people have in their yards, kind of like the ones we have. Anyway, he has those as well. And I'm a bit slow walking up this way, but hey, remember, I'll be 76 next month. Man, 76. Okay. John, that's her husband, lady's husband, collected old vehicles, and he also liked new vehicles. So let's see if I can get this whole thing in. Whoops, sorry, this is so jittery. I'll take a look inside. Let's see if this is unlocked. It is. Well, the inside is gutted, as you can see. Let's see. International, it says on the dash. I would think that probably my grandson and wife-to-be will be doing some photo shoots close to this or around this. Oh, good. There for a second I thought I wasn't going to be able to get that door shut again. And there's another vehicle in very good condition on the inside of the barn. And my son also has, well, he did a little video, I'll show it to you later. But he's got some oats and some things out here for the deer because everybody enjoys the wildlife. My daughter's trying to show me something. Oh, that's the shooting range. That's the shooting range, honey. Okay.
No, I just said that for the video.
Oh. Told you she's a ham. Okay, what I'm going to do is shut this off for now. I'll turn it back on inside the barn so you can see this other vehicle. And I'll be right back. Okay, we're not inside the barn yet, obviously. But I did want to show you the barn itself. I think it's pretty. There I go again. I think it's so pretty. And then there's a real barn where they keep equipment. And this is where the marriage ceremony will take place. If you recognize the stonework, yes, my son did do that. Okay, inside the barn we go. Okay, this is the inside of the barn. There's my grandson. Say hi, Bradley.
Hi, Bradley.
Yes, that's the groom.
Let's see.
Okay, for you who love construction, of course this is the upstairs of the barn. And I'm standing in the, oh yeah, the overhead door opening. Here we go. Here's the vehicle I was telling you about. And this one's a Chevy. And I know this one is open as well. Here we go. 1927 Chevy Landau. There's a picture, obviously one time it worked. Just showing you some of the decor, and I'll show you inside this. I'm trying to turn the handle so I could open the door. Here we go. Is this beautiful or what? Here we go. Just finally got the light on. Look how perfect this thing is. Back seat. Rolled and pleated seats. Or do you call them rolled and tucked? Oh, my son's here too. Let me show you my son. Brad, turn around, take your glasses off. Whoops, sorry for my finger again. Oh, here, I just want to show everybody. This is my son, Brad.
I'm Brad.
I told you he was good looking. And they're getting ready to go have some pictures taken. So he's being called to get his clothes changed. Well, now you have it. This is the grand tour of the wedding area. And at 10:30 tonight, after they are, let's see, what are they? Oh yeah, they're going to take a cruise. They leave, I think, right at 10:30 to go to the airport and catch their plane. And then my son is over in this direction here. Has fireworks he's going to be setting off. I'll be sure and get a picture of that. So bye for now.